In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the screen on an HP Pavilion dm4. I already took my screen off, so all I have to do is install this recently purchased screen from laptopscreens.com. So the first thing you do is take it out of the package and find the bottom, which has this black tape with a little place gold plug to plug in the connector to the computer. So you have to take this little plug from the computer and fit it in here. Let's see. And wait for a click. I think it connected. You kind of tilt the screen a little bit, and I'm pulling it by the piece of tape that I left on. Now I would like to tape the webcam wire back to the back of the screen with the tape that was already there, and just tape these parts down. And then you lay the screen back in place gently and take the old screws that you unscrewed them with. I kept it in a piece of tape so I shouldn't lose them. And fit it back over this little gold hole, making sure that the bottom parts, there's a hole that fits onto the little white stick. So that's how you know when the screen is in place. And over here you can see the four little white sticks. So I'm just going to screw these back in. I have a really minuscule screwdriver. That helps. You need to have the right size screwdriver. And let's just screw this as tight as we can get it. Get my next screws. I really hope this works. Pretty sure I heard the wire click, so I think it's connected. And this is my first time doing it, so I'm very proud of myself. They're so small. And this one goes in the bottom. All the way down here. And then the last screw. Okay, now I'm going to make sure that all the two screws are tight. Okay, this one seems kind of loose. There we go. And this one. Okay, then I'm going to take this piece off. I left the tape in. Okay, not a big deal. This is the protector. Aw, nice new screen. Okay, then you take the bevel and click it into place over the new screen. Push it on. And click. Click it all around. Snaps back into place. These ones at the bottom are a little there we go. Make sure they're all tight. And take my second set of screws. Screw the screen back, the bevel back on, and we are done. The last thing to do is to screw these last two screws that hold the bevel in place at the bottom, and you have to get a tiny screwdriver for this because it's in a really difficult position, and just screw it little quarter turns at a time. Okay, there we go. You don't want to strip the screws. Okay, other side. I slid the screw in by holding the computer like this, and then just pushing it so it falls into the hole. Then take this little screwdriver and start turning. There we go. And now let's press power and see if the screen works. The lights are coming on. Perfect. And now my computer works perfectly, and that only took me about 10 minutes to do, and it was super cheap. So I'm really happy.